What's up, guys? Your boy BG here, coming at you with another video. Hope you guys had a great weekend. So I'm here at this Target. I'm gonna head on in. Wish me luck. Hopefully I find something good. I'll catch you guys inside. Each case has landed. So let's get digging, guys. So this one's coming home with me. Ooh, check this one out, guys. Nice. Nissan SKYLINE 2000 GTR. Surf school bus. Nice. There's this cool bike with the Moon Eyes decals. Very cool. Here is the Ain't Fair. Nice. Here's a Beamer. Very cool. Let's see. So this is a Draftinator. Pretty cool. Let's see. Check out the new variation of the head gasket. This is pretty cool. Let's see. Better hurry. Let's see here. Nice. 1970 Chevy Camaro. Very cool. Let's see. Oh, nice. 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. Very cool. Let's see. Nice. Honda Civic. Yes, sir. The Honda Civics are always hard to find, guys. Nice. 2016 Pontiac GTO. Very cool. Baja Bug. This is new, or at least I've never seen it. The HW Formula Solar. Here's a carbonator. Pretty cool. And here we have the Porsche 935 with the Magnus Walker decals. Very, very cool. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Check out the Mercedes-Benz 500E. Very, very cool. Let's see. Here we have the awesome 2016 Ford GT race car. Very, very cool. Here we have the turtle shell. Nice. Here's a 2017 Ford GT. Very, very cool. Here's the color variant of the Mattel Dreammobile. This one here. Check this out, guys. This one's pretty cool. The Blade Raider. This was a regular treasure hunt back in 2016 or 17, if I'm not mistaken. Very cool. There's another carbonator. Check this out. Here's another Porsche. Here's the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Now we have it in black. Very, very cool. Here's another Ain't Fair. Surfing school bus. Not bad. I'm glad I came here. Nice. Check this out, guys. The LANCIA Delta INTEGRALE. Nice little rally car there. Let me pick these up really quick. Let's see. Just making sure I'm not missing anything, guys. Here's the 94 Audi Avant RS2. Very cool. Okay, here's a Chevelle. Here's the Mad Manga. Some pretty cool decals. This one looks a lot like the Nissan SKYLINE 2000. And here is a new variation of the Surf's Up. It's rocking a cool little yellow surfboard. Here's another color variation of the Donut Drifter. And here's another one. Let's see. Civic. I'm taking it. These are hard to find. And here we have the new Batmobile in a nice chrome. This one looks pretty cool. Very, very cool. Let's see. Here they have the Rocket DL Special. This one's pretty cool. I already picked one up. The Draftinator. There's the color variation of the Surf and Turf. Here is the custom Ford Bronco. Nice. That one was a regular treasure hunt back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. 2019, 2018. Let's see what they have over here. Well, there's another Bronco. Here's another motorcycle with the Moon Nice decals. Another Bronco. Here's another Beamer. Cool. Another bus right there. Here's another Pontiac GTO. Here's another Audi Batmobile. Speed Driver. Nice. Here's a new color variation, 68 Mustang, tuned version. Very cool. Let's see what else they have in here. Alright guys, looks like that's pretty much it as far as the regular main lines. Let's take a look over here. Looks like they also stocked up on some of the new ID cars. They have the 2020 Corvette. Pretty cool. Porsche 918 Spider, I already picked that one up. Don't care for the Speed Dozer. This one is cool, but it's a fantasy casting, so gonna leave it behind. This one, however, definitely taken. 1995 Mazda RX-7 Drift. Very, very cool. Here's another Porsche Spider, Speed Dozer. There's another Mazda 2020 Corvette. Another Corvette, a Nightburner, and a Nissan Silvia S14 drift car. Very, very cool. Lucky day, guys. Lucky, lucky day for sure. Let's move over here. We got some more 5-packs. This is the new 2021 Fast and Furious. Not bad. I already picked one up, so I don't need another one. Cool. So this one is new too. HW Zombies. Definitely digging that truck right there. Yeah, that truck is really, really cool. Man, I wish it were a mainline. That's a really, really cool truck. It ain't worth paying $5 just for one truck. Well, this one here is pretty cool. Chevy Blazer. But yeah, I don't care for the other three, to be honest with you. So anyways, let's keep moving. Ooh, nice. Looks like they got these cool exotic MV sets. So this is the McLaren Senna. Very cool. And here is the Aston Martin VULCAN. Very, very cool. Let's see. Ooh, cool. Aston Martin Valhalla. Very, very nice. Here's another Valhalla. Very cool. And here's another Aston Martin VULCAN. Nice. Man, this is sweet. Check this out, guys. The Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4 in a nice lime green. This one is sweet. I'm definitely going to take this one. I'm not going to take all of them only because I already ordered the entire set. So, yeah, I don't care for the other ones as much. So let's keep moving, guys. Let's see what they have here. Okay. They have this set as well. They took the Volkswagen T1 panel van. They have this one here. Let's see. Oh, nice. Yeah, this one's part of the set. The KOENIGSEGG AGERAR. Very cool. Let's see. So yeah, so there are 5 cars in the set. It's this one, the Knight Rider, Thundercats, Masters of the Universe, and there's a Nissan SKYLINE as well. But as you can see, there's none, but it's cool. At least they left one of these, so that's pretty cool. Actually, there's 2 of these, but I'm only taking one. So let's keep moving, guys. Some more Mario, Fast and Furious. They stocked up on the color shifters. Here's the Bug. Not really into these, I'm just showing you guys. Here's the Dodge Viper. Here's the Audacious. Alright guys, let's keep moving. So yeah, so glad I came here today, man. Let's see. Looking for the new wave of these Matchbox cars. Nothing new. Yep. Alright guys, looks like there is not anything else. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Alright guys, so I was heading out and I came across this little mini bin here. I had to go through it really quick because people kept pouring in. So I had to hurry up and go through all this stuff. I did find some pretty cool stuff. Found this one. Let's see, I found this one here. This one here. And this one I already had, but I like the Celica, so I picked up another one. Anyways guys, that is all I found. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate all your support. You guys take care, happy hunting, and God bless you and your loved ones. Deuces.